Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Abby again. Story time. On Saturday I went to the stadium for my regular workout. Then I saw this very cute moving van that does smoothie. I tried out their smoothie and it was wonderful. It was really nice too. They had dates in the smoothie. They had pineapple, cocoa, what else they put? Banana, the regular smoothie. So I drank it. On my way to look for my team members, then I saw one karate group. As in, I was so like, oh, karate in Nigeria, wow, the stadium for that matter. Let me see what they have to offer. Only for me to see something. I was amazed. I was dumbfounded. I guess I wouldn't consider taking my child to that kind of karate school. Keep watching, you see what this smoothie moving van. I heard they're lovely. They have lovely smoothies. Good morning.
Morning. How are you doing?
Fine. I want to make smoothie. That I can try out.
Like?
That I can try out.
Okay.
You will have POS. That's nice.
So it makes it easier for you.
Yeah, and I brought cash. I've never seen POS in stadium except in the evening.
Okay.
Okay, this is 500. 1,000. Okay. This is a sizable amount. I'll take this since I'm trying it. I hope I like it. What's that? Banana. I love banana. Is there going to be pineapple inside?
What pineapple?
I love pineapple. Pawpaw. I'm more of a fan of pineapple, but if you want to put it, I don't mind. I like lots of ice. That date? Oh. Frozen date. It's gonna add sugar to it, right? It's gonna serve as my source of... No, the date is going to serve as my source of sugar, right? Sweetener. Sweetener, let me not say sugar. Banana, pawpaw, pineapple.
Bring money this one.
Okay, let me see.
Tamarind. Tamarind.
Wow.
Zobo. Okay. Which one is tamarind, sir? 500 again, bros. What's happened?
Place your order. This is actually nice. Very wonderful. I don't want to finish it. It's actually nice and I love it.
Yes, I will.
I guess next time I'll try the Thai donut. So, let's come to stadium. You see them. How do I pronounce your name?
Yodia.
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 The name is.
I really don't know how to pronounce this name, but they make really fast, nice smoothie right in front of you. Not like those smoothie you don't know what is inside. They use good fruits, not spoiled fruit. They do it right in front of you, and you get to see how it's made, how neatly it's done, how hygienic everything is. They get to wear gloves. So that's what I really like about them. And they're really nice people actually. So do come down to the stadium to walk out and see how you can get to find it, because it's a moving van. But they're stationed at the place. Once you get into the stadium, they're the first thing you see by the right. Your money.
Okay, please come in. I can't touch it.
Okay.
Many of us.
Thank you.
See more of you.
Okay. Now I'm trying to locate my aerobics class. My teammates have left me. What do I do? Guess what I found? Taekwondo class. Hey, this little kid. Nice. Yep, I found them. Here comes an Igbo jogging crew. Igbo jogging team. They're very wonderful. Let's chill.